Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today, as you can see, I am in my car, so we're gonna do something a little different, and I am going to do a shop with me here at the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and let's run in, see what we can find. I am expecting to see a lot of back to school still. School starts in our county August 12th, so we're coming up on that, so I fully expect to still see a bunch of that stuff. And then I am hoping, crossing my fingers, hoping to see some fall stuff. And I know you guys are probably like, Amanda, it is July, what are you thinking? But if I don't get it now, I might not get it at all. And I've been seeing a lot of really cute things on some other people's channels, so I am not gonna decorate for fall. I just want to grab those things real quick. So let's go ahead and run in here and see what I can find. So as I expected, at the front of the store, we still have a ton of back to school stuff. When I first walked over here though, these little calendars, little planner things really caught my eye. The colors on those are just so pretty. And they had these other two designs here as well for these little, I don't know if you call them pocket calendars because they're not that small, but really cute. And then, of course, they have your basic back-to-school supplies. But what really caught my eye were these neon-colored dry erase boards. They have the magnets on the back, and they have this really pretty pink. They have this bright orange, and then they have a green down there as well. Now, they have the white ones as usual, too, but these neon ones, I just think you could do some fun summer projects with those. And then they have these really pretty clipboards that just kind of make it a little bit more fun. Now, on the dry erase things too, they have these larger size with the borders on them. These would be cute for like a back to school picture if you wanted to write on those. And then they have your usual pencil boxes. That one says My Stuff, Love, and Sparkle. And then they have some that are just plain, so you could decorate those with some stickers, or if you have vinyl machine, you could always put the name on it. These calendars I love. They come in this little like plastic sheet thing, and they're supposed to go in a 3-ring binder, but I love them for work. And they do have these pencil cases that come in a pack of 2. Now this was, I just wanted to buy every one of these. These composition books were so pretty, and I really might go back and buy them. Now they have these woodland pencils that were so cute, and then, you know, just your basic pencils. But I thought these with the bugs on them are really cute. And for boys, these pirates and sailboats, and there's some more neon that you could get. They also had a lot of Crayola brand stuff. They had this whole end cap full of it. So, you know, your crayons, your colored pencils, construction paper, and then the paints down there as well. Now, I love going through their stickers and stuff. So they have these kind of glittered letters, and then these really cute ones with the faux wood print. I always go through this section when I get to my store because I just feel like, I don't know, sometimes I'll just find random one like that right there. Like I've never seen that one. So I always like to go through these and just see if there's anything I need to pick up and add to my collection. This font right here, I've never seen this one either. So it's always good to just go through those. They have these really pretty little plain notebooks you could write in, like journals or whatnot. Just really pretty designs as well. Now they have your typical back to school and office supplies, but these magnetic clips, I had to pick those up because I have a project in mind for those. Now we had a whole wall of stickers here that my store does not normally have, so I was so impressed with some of these stickers. And I love the letter ones because those are great for projects. You know, you don't always have to have a vinyl machine or, like cutting machines to be able to use letters. You can pick up these smaller size stickers and they work just as well. And I know the first picture I showed you, those family stickers, I've got an idea for those too. Now they also had some stencil sheets, which my store has not had before. So they have the birds, the hearts, and the flowers, and they actually had some stenciled numbers too, which I was pretty impressed with. And this is the extent of the fall decor at my Dollar Tree. It's pretty, but not what I was looking for. Now, over in the home section, I always like to go through their placemats. These are new. I've never seen this blue before. They're cheaper quality, but they're really pretty. So you could really use those for other projects too. I love that they had these Christmas ones out. I just thought that was hilarious. Now, my store has a lot of the same plastic placemats that, the other stores have. So nothing really new here, but I always like to look through these because you can use these for so many different types of projects. So take the time, just go look through there and see if you see anything you like. And then my store has all the coordinating dish towels and pot holders and everything to go with these. Over in the candle section, I did see a couple new candle holders or little jars that I might be picking up for future projects. But again, this is just one of those areas I love to go through and just see what they have. I love the shape of like this candle right here. You could use that jar after that candle's done and it would be so cute. Now, my store has a lot of the same stuff, not a whole lot of new stuff, but they did have a couple things I was pretty impressed with that looked a little bit higher end. So again, this is always just a spot I like to hit. Over here in the wall art and picture frame section, there was not a whole lot to choose from. They do have these cute little wine signs, and I actually think I picked some of these up for a project before and have just never done anything with them. But really nothing new over here in this section. I've never seen these before. These would be great. Those backgrounds are just so pretty, by the way. You could take those and put your own picture in there, or you could rework this completely and make it into a whole nother project. And really, again, nothing new. These little signs here, a lot of people do projects with those where they'll take the sign off the top and paint the background and everything. My store doesn't have a lot of those. They have a couple of coffee themed little picture frame things that might be cute if you're putting together like a little coffee themed gift or gift basket. Now they do have these little smaller little shadow boxes is what I'm gonna call them. Those would be great for like your 3-tier tray. And then I had just saw these two different designs with the burlap and the galvanized metal. Not a whole lot of new stuff left over here in the kind of home section. So this was about it. I always like to just go through these and just look in this area. Alright you guys, so that is my first shop with me at Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have a lot more content coming for you. I've been telling you I'm going to do some hauls. I'm going to continue with the clean with me stuff and some more DIY projects. I have a big one coming up in the next couple months. We're going to be redoing my bathroom. So just a lot of exciting things happening here on my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell, because next week I will be uploading my haul video from today, so you'll get to see everything I purchased during our shop with me. And thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys have a great day.